All right, people. Not to forget, give it up once again for Mr. Dave and Mr. Salil, the founders of GBS. These two heads collided and GBS was formed. And you know what exactly is happening in India. One head is the epitome of TV anchoring, host, and influencing. And another one is the glory of boxing. Give it up for both gentlemen for making this happen in India. This is just the beginning. We get to witness a lot in future. Make some noise once again for GBS. With that, moving on to our much awaited segment for this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the TNT 1080 Whalers.
There he is, one half of tonight's main event, the South African gentleman with the Indian flag wrapped around his shoulders in Dane de Villiers.
He's representing India tonight,
Yep.
and that's what he said. He said he's going to walk out with that flag.
He said that when he beats Ishant Rawat, he's going to bring the Indian flag inside.
He's already
because
brought the Indian flag with him, and he's keeping it with him all the way.
this is just his way of showing that how grateful
Now
he
the
is to the
solidarity,
Indian audience.
yes, exactly.
Because
I mean-
it was India that made him famous in Temptation Island. But of course, this is not about reality TV. This is about boxing. And let's move on once again to James.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing his opponent, India's most controversial influencer. Give it up for the knucklehead warrior, Ishant Rawat.
The knucklehead warrior, a name befitting the personality in Ishant Rawat, who's making the walk and tonight's final walk into the stage for
Yep.
Global Boxing Series Season
I mean,
1,
it's been
one
such
of
a
many.
great I mean, what a card. We've had a great fight night, culminating 9 fights, 5 finishes. Sorry, 6 finishes
Yeah.
out of 9 fights. It's been incredible top to bottom, and we get a treat here. The influencer boxing has come to India officially, brought to you by Global Boxing Series. Dane de Villiers will take on the knucklehead warrior, and I don't know, you know what, honestly, I'm a little old for social media, but I'm still a big part of it, and I'm a big fan of these guys. It's going to be interesting to see how this goes down. For the final time, the tail of the tape, Tanay.
Both debutants, Dane and Ishant, going against each other. Dane, 23 years of age versus Ishant Rawat, who's a young 21-year-old man. Dane de Villiers takes the height and reach advantage as he stands 176 centimeters tall versus 170 for Ishant. And both gentlemen make perfect weight. And for the last time tonight, for an introduction, let's go to the ring with the man of the ring, James himself.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing out of the red corner, social media sensation, youth icon, the TNT 1080 Whalers. Introducing his opponent out of the blue corner, India's most controversial influencer. Ladies and gentlemen, the knucklehead warrior, Ishant Rawat. And the referee for this fight is Tejas Vatekar.
Boxer. Boxer, no holding, no clinching. Obey my command. Okay, touch your gloves. All the best.
Here we go, main event of the evening brought to you by Global Boxing Series in the super middleweight division. It is a treat. Influencer boxing for the first time in India. Dane de Villiers takes on the knucklehead warrior Ishant Rawat. And this is the fight my co-commentator Tanay has been waiting
I
for.
am pumped about this
I'm
fight.
going to leave this to you. This
No,
is
because
your
you know the
fight,
thing is
man.
that I've seen both these guys way before I knew about Global Boxing Series. I've seen Dane on Temptation Island. I've seen...
I may have watched a few episodes of Temptation
Arjun, don't
Island.
say a few. I know you watched the entire show. Let's not kid ourselves.
Okay, fine, I did. I was a fan, man. It was great fun.
And you know, Ishant Rawat, actually, I want to say something.
Oh! Ishant Rawat came out immediately trying to take Dane de Villiers'
Oh,
head
wait,
off.
what's that? That's
Hang
a
on,
slip.
that's a slip.
Yeah,
That's a slip. That's not
we
a
saw
knockdown.
Ishant push Dane down. It was not a knockdown, clearly.
No, that's illegal. You can't push somebody down that way through the head. But here we go. Ishant Rawat immediately
and
stepping
Dane
in.
back in with aggression of his
Oh,
own.
got him
Good
with an uppercut there. Man, you know, say what you want. These influencers are putting in the hard work.
What is this energy,
And
Arjun?
these influencers are putting in the hard work to start fighting and training properly. And Ishant Rawat, they're trying to step in.
Beautiful combination there from Taine de Villiers as he's unleashing uppercuts onto the knucklehead warrior.
I want to, you know, win, lose or draw, I want to see a rematch in MMA.
I want to see a rematch
Big
happen.
oh, big overhand rights. Man,
All right, we got a clinch.
Knucklehead Warrior is bringing it to Taine de Villiers.
You know, Ishant Rawat actually was receiving a lot of trolling online where people were saying that he's only training. When is he going to fight? When is he going to fight?
But he's
And
got
to
his
all
moment
those
now.
people, this is Ishant Rawat, knucklehead warrior for you.
Ishant Rawat doing a good job defending himself and he's keeping his hands up. Taine de Villiers needs to keep those hands up. Ishant, both these men back with a good amount of power. They need to be careful here. Ishant Rawat now again slowing down a little bit, trying to find his
Well,
mark.
finally, these guys have let go of some of the energy and are now starting to feel each other's range. Or maybe I was wrong.
I mean, it's, you know, it's a slugfest.
Oh!
And it's Ishant Rawat who's got a clinch on him. It looks more like a Muay Thai clip. Oh, big
Beautiful
shots there.
combination there from
Big
Ishant.
shots from Ishant Rawat. And Taine de Villiers is a bit on the back foot.
Yeah, he's definitely been receiving a lot of
He's
wrath
eaten
from
a couple
Ishant.
of shots here. I'm looking forward to seeing Taine de Villiers starting to unleash a little bit because Ishant Rawat's defense so far has been very, very good. Hang on, this is just ridiculous.
I mean, the
the
referee should have
referee
just
needs
stopped
to.
them
That's
there.
a headlock there.
All
And
right, gentlemen, we're not inside an MMA match.
No, that's why I said we'll see a rematch. in the
He's
MMA.
jumping the guillotine, yeah?
I mean, it's a little bit of a headlock. It's a control method. But
Oh, beautiful
Taine
one
de
two there from
Villiers, Taine de
Ishant.
Villiers has got his hands up now, which is a good technique. here.
Whoa!
Good stinging jab there. He needs to go back to the basics. Go! Beautiful
What a shot
combination.
there. And the
Very nice.
audience
Now,
is
see,
all
this
right
is what
now.
I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. That is, oh, it's a 1-2 punch himself. Man, what a slugfest between these two. These two awesome social media influencers. I mean, who knew these guys could fight this way?
And these guys are not, this is not influencer boxing. This
I mean,
is just simple
I
boxing.
mean, it's, you know, that's the thing. When it comes down to it, it's two men who have trained for months for this fight.
And these guys have had a lot of heat between each other in the build-up to this fight.
You know, referee Patikar separating them. It's going to come down to who can hold their nerve and their gas tank.
100%. And already it looks like these two guys are starting to exhaust their
No, I know, but look at the toughness of Taine. 10 seconds to go in this round. Hang on,
Oh,
hang
come
on.
on.
No, hang on. This is
Come
just.
on, ref, just
now
stop
both of
it.
them are just looking to. I think we need to change the rules of this fight.
You know what? Let's just bring these two into a sand pit and tell them to
No,
go all out with each other.
No, honestly, this fight, it is incredible. What a great first round brought to you by Global Boxing Series to put together such a wonderful main event in their debut.
And look at this, Ishant Rawat immediately
I'm telling you, man,
unloading
Ishant
punches.
Rawat's got some power.
He's
He
got
landed
some.
some clean
Oh,
shots.
he's a fitness influencer.
But
He's
no, man,
got power
Taine
on
has
him.
got a chin on him because he ate some bombs, and this is where Taine started coming back. And he came back with a few combinations of his own.
It was, you know what? It was basically a 1 followed by a 2. So if
This is
Ishant
that
goes
again,
all out, then
goes
Taine,
overhand, right and left.
there
but
was a
Taine
lot
took
of
it.
there was a lot of retaliation. Yeah, if Ishant went all out, then Taine gave combinations of
That's
his
it.
own.
See, there
And
you
look
go.
at
You
that.
see
Just look at
a
that.
few shots from Taine in reverse as well.
And we've got the crowd supporting Taine de
You can
Villiers.
see
We've got
somebody's
Cat Christian
praying
over
for,
there.
I don't know. It's a nervous
Seconds
moment.
out.
That's Taine's family.
That's Taine's family.
I
All
think
right,
so, yeah.
there we go. I wasn't quite aware where they were sitting, but Taine de Villiers certainly has weathered that
Round
early
two.
storm. It's going to be important to see if the storm continues. in
Oh,
round
look at
number
that.
two.
Ishant
But
Rawat
catches him
immediately
coming in.
charging.
Oh, it's 1 or 2. There's Ishant Rawat. And Taine de Villiers has started opening up. Is he catching him coming in now? Because it's going to be interesting to see if he's got that timing. They're
Come on,
clinching up
referee. Let's
here.
break the clinch. Let's break the clinch. We want to see some action. Oh.
Hang on a second. Now
Oh,
Taine de
Taine-
Villiers needs to get his body
Oh,
off.
all right.
Hang on. That's
Oh,
illegal.
Just stop that.
That's illegal.
That is
That's
illegal, yeah.
And I would, you know, I don't know. I'm not a referee.
No, you can give a warning and
That's
then
a
maybe
warning.
next
That's
time
a
he does
warning.
it, deduct
No,
a point.
absolutely. That's a warning. That's a referee giving him a warning.
No, the
because
next time he does that, is definitely going to be a point deduction.
Taine is
Taine is backed
I don't
up
know
here.
what his oh! Got him clean with that right hook. Got him clean, but what a chin on Ishant Rawat as well.
Well,
Ishant
Arjun-
might be hurt.
Arjun, we've been saying playing possum all night, and Taine just
I'm
played possum.
telling you, man.
When
I
he was
think Taine
backed
de
up
Villiers
against the ring.
Taine de Villiers knows more than we do right now.
Taine de Villiers is the master class, but so is Ishant Rawat. He's got some
Ishant
punches of
Rawat,
his own.
Man, is shocking the hell out of everybody because he's coming in again. It's a beautiful. Oh, big uppercut. Knocks his head back, and Taine de Villiers now opening up on Ishant Rawat. Ishant doing a good job trying to clinch up here.
And the crowd is going insane for Taine de
He's
Villiers
doing
tonight.
a very good job by putting his head in. But again, I don't like the strategy by Dane de Villiers of leaning against the ring.
Yeah,
Maybe
that's-
he's trying to get him.
No,
He's
but
trying
he's
to
just
get
putting
Ishan to
himself
punch
in a
himself out.
disadvantageous position.
No, it's not. No, it's a strategy. It's called rope-a-dope. It's what Muhammad Ali did for so many years. He put himself against the ropes and get someone to punch, get them to punch himself out, and then at the right moment, he
You
got
get a
him. He
shot of
got
your
that
own.
return punch in, and that's what he did. The Thriller in Manila was a lot of
Come
rope-a-dope.
on, look at this. I mean,
No,
Ishan
hang on,
Rawat is
come
going
on,
for
stop it.
headlocks every
Yeah.
30 seconds.
I'm telling you, man. After this MMA,
I'm
after
telling you.
this
Oh, yeah.
MMA.
You know what? Just give them a break
gonna
for
have
30. Just give them a 30-minute break and tell them to come out and do 2 rounds of MMA.
Here
Well,
we
round
go.
2 of 3, under 30
It's
seconds
only
left.
3 rounds, and Dane de Villiers is head-hunting here. But what a chin on Ishan Rawat. The 8 out 2 bombs at the end of that round. Incredible.
Well, Dane de Villiers looking good after round number 2. Ishan
Karan,
Rawat
how are
was a
you
bit
enjoying
fatigued.
this fight?
Dude, this is exciting. I mean, it has to be the fight of the night because the environment is electric. The fighters are bringing on their gas. There's absolutely no room for error, and they are going all guns blazing.
I think this fight is,
This is the fight of the night.
No.
Oh, come on. It is.
I'll wait for the 3rd round to see what happens. But it certainly is the fan favorite fight.
It
of
is
the
the
night.
fan favorite fight of the night, and I'm a fan of both these gentlemen.
But
so
it's
I
just-
gotta say,
I'm just shocked at the good strategy of Dane de Villiers. He smelled blood, he landed some good shots, and the chin of Ishan, the knucklehead warrior, he's doing a damn good job. And you know what? If his detractors are watching him,
Yeah.
they don't have a single bad thing to say against him anymore, because he's proving the fact that at just 21 years of age,
Last
he can
round.
hang here.
round number
Last
3
round of
at the Global
evening.
Boxing Series
Last
here.
round of Global Boxing Series 1 as we culminate
One
this
of
wonderful
many,
night.
Arjun, one of many.
One of many as we culminate this night with Dane de Villiers taking on the knucklehead warrior Ishan
Oh!
Rawat. And
He's
again,
done it.
Dane is looking to get him, and he's trying to get
He's
him
telling
to
him,
step in. He's like, come
telling
on,
him, come on.
come on, step in. Let's see what you got.
All right, a bit of
Dane de
action
Villiers.
against the ropes. Well, happening right in front of us.
The rematch is going to happen in an MMA cage. I guarantee. I want to see that fight as well. I want to be a part of that fight as well. Oh, big uppercut. Trying to grab him, but he needs to be careful here. Both men are dangerous any given time. Ishan packs a lot of power, but Dane de Villiers
Unleashing all over Ishan
is
Rawat.
starting to open up. He's trying to catch him with that uppercut. And you can see the body language change here. Dane de Villiers has
Dane
weathered
de
the
Villiers
early
is in
storm.
control.
But you know what? It's boxing. I don't want to say anything. It takes one punch to change the trajectory of a fight.
And we've got 60 seconds on the clock to decide the winner, either by punches
Dane de
or by
Villiers ate a
decision.
few shots there. It's the gas tank of these men. And it's smart strategy. You know, both these men are clinching with one another when they're in a flurry of shots. And you can see a little bit of admonishment to Dane de Villiers, saying, referee warning him of a potential headbutt. He needs to watch out, watch his entry.
A good sharp jab there by
Nice jab, nice shovel punch attempt there by Dane. And good hook combination.
Oh, there's the takedown.
Yeah, that's honestly, that's a headlock drag.
If this was MMA, I'm sure we would have seen an armbar, Arjun.
No, I mean, far from an armbar, but he's in side control at that point. But now, jokes apart, 30 seconds to go in this 3rd and final round. And referee admonishing both fighters, saying, guys, let's keep this fight standing.
You know what? This is an actual
Oh,
dog fight.
big swing and a miss. And both men going for broke. Yeah, this is where it gets scary. Now, come on, just guys, come on,
Okay,
man.
I don't know what's happening here, but you know what? They are debutants. We'll give them the benefit of the doubt.
No, I mean, they're fighting for the first time.
Yeah.
It's not a knockdown, it's a slip.
And again, there's just so much tension between the two.
Ishan Rawat's hooks are just in such a dangerous place. And is that I think that's the end
that's the fight.
of the fight. That's the end of 3 rounds.
Both corners tapping up their fighters.
Hang on, are they going to do a sudden death fourth? Because this is going to get a little close to count. I don't know if they're going to do that.
I don't mind. I don't
It's a
mind.
good
This was an
performance by both.
absolutely
And for the
phenomenal
first time
show.
to be fighting on a pro card is a big deal for these men.
And you know what? Influencer boxing has really been slept upon in every
I
single
mean,
country.
take a look at the replay
But
here.
this-
Dane de Villiers caught the knucklehead warrior a couple of times, got some clean shots in. It's this fight, this main event was the fight to create awareness about about this entire company, the
And
global
that-
boxing scene. I mean,
There we
don't
go.
talk about the takedowns, my
come on.
friend.
No, but that's why we say that, we want an MMA rematch.
No, I want to see that fight in MMA, and that's just my personal opinion. But
Both corners believing their
It's-
man has gotten the job done.
I
think
don't know.
it's
but,
only a matter of time.
It's a good thing that we're not the judges, and I'm seeing one of the owners of Global Boxing Series, Devraj Das, looking on, waiting for the result himself. As both these influencers, you need to understand, Tanay, that this fight, if you don't compare it to the pro bouts and the rest of the card, it is the fight that creates the awareness, is the fight that gets the hook in, is the fight that gets the attention from the new generation of fans to bring their attention to pro boxing.
Yeah.
That Global Boxing Series is doing. As we get ready for the result, this has been the final fight. You've been listening to the voice of Arjun Chapakante, along with our main man, Tanay Partekar, who's I think, family members is one of the referees. as well
Yeah,
this
I
day.
mean, the referee who's standing inside the ring right now.
Dane de Villiers standing there, and the Knucklehead Warrior. I mean, both these kids so young and with such incredible
They've got so
following.
much promise.
No, I'm telling you, people said this about Jake Paul as well. When he fought his first fight, people said a lot of things saying, oh, this is a disgrace to the sport. I think that's complete BS. I think it is the new generation is the way to capture a new market. And if that's what it needs to be done, Global Boxing Series has made a very smart move in keeping this as their main event. There's nothing else. Okay, I think we're ready for
And
the
one
results.
last time tonight,
Yes,
let's
go
go
for it.
over to main man, James.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the winner. And the scores are here. 29, 28, 29, 29, 30, 27. Majority win. Let's bring in the winner, Dane
What a fight, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause. Well done. And Ishan, Knucklehead, come back in here. Ishan, come here. You guys put up a great show, guys. Both of you, really, really good job there. And there was a lot of beef in there, Tane. Brilliant job there. Come right in. You were fantastic. There was a lot of beef in there. There was a lot of garbage talk in there. And people did not think that you'd be able to measure up inside the ring. So give yourselves a round of applause. You were the real deal, brother. Great job there. Thank you so much, Ishan. You were brilliant and great job there on social media as well. It was really good for us. Couple of words before I go into the winner.
वेल काफ़ी अच्छा खेला इसने और मज़ा आ गया इसके साथ खेल के आई होप नेक्स्ट टाइम भी होगा
Next time, इसी के साथ rematch चाहिए. Well, that was well done there. But Tane, the big deal, the real deal, it's not just about trash talking on social media. The first influencer fight in the country ever, and you win it so easily. Well done. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Clipped me with a crazy shot, bro. Oh my gosh. It was a good fight. I hope that now the beef is settled. You're a great guy, bro. Appreciate you.
So lots has been talked about, brother. Just being part of Global Boxing Series. We've been working for months. All of us have been doing a really good job pushing it out there. I just want to share a couple of words.
Guys, we made history here. First time in India that this has been done. And I'm grateful to be a part of it and sharing the ring with this guy. He did absolutely well. I underestimated him, honestly. And you are a lot more than what anyone says you are, bro. And you know what? Working with GBS has been an absolute pleasure. And there's so much more to come. So much more. More than anyone can comprehend. So guys, stay tuned. Stay with this journey because it's going to be a great one.
Thank you, gentlemen. Take your seats. Thank you very much.